ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 54, Filtering Lists. Filtering is a quick way to find records in a list that match search criteria. Only the rows that match are displayed. The rows that do not match are hidden, they're not deleted. There are two ways to filter a list: the auto filter, which is a simple filter, and the advanced filter, which is for more complex filtering. If we select the range of data and then select filter, we have now entered filter mode. In filter mode, the labels at the top of the list columns contain drop-down arrows, here, 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 etc. If one of these arrows is clicked, a list of all different values in the column is revealed. Let's look at an example in the department section. If one of these arrows is clicked, a list of all different values in the column is revealed. The filter to be applied can then be selected from the list. So, let's try and click just Administration and Advertising, and then press OK. And as can be seen, it has filtered just those records that contain the word administration or the word advertising in the department column. The default value is to show all rows, and that would be by selecting Select All. And as we've seen, an alternative selection can be made from the text filters list. Other options include sorting A to Z, sorting Z to A, so in other words, sorting in ascending order, or sorting the list into descending order. We can also sort by colour, where criteria can be applied and data can be compared via custom sort. Okay. In the example that we've just now looked at, let's look at this again. If we want to select people just from the catering department, again select on department, untick so we're not selecting all, select just catering, and then press OK. And we see that there's only one person working in the catering department. OK, that's the end of lesson 54. In which we've covered filtering lists, and the next lesson we'll be looking at is lesson 55, when we're going to deal with autofilter. Okay, I hope this has made sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.